Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling your laptop keyboard on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is go ahead and open up your start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager, so go ahead and left click on that to open it up. So now you want to go expand the keyboard section, so double click on it and then locate whatever your keyboard is you want to disable. You can go ahead and just right click on it and disable that device. Again, if you have multiple keyboards listed in here, you just right click on it and disable it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.